Lakiradu kairun wa abka, alakira kairun wa abka. And the hereafter is better and more enduring. Surah Al-Allah 87:17. Today is the 27th of Shawwal, a time to reflect on a reality we often ignore, death. This life is short, its joys fade, but the hereafter it lasts forever. Will we be ready to meet our Lord? Each breath is a gift, each day a chance to turn back to Allah. Let this reminder awaken your heart, live with purpose, worship with sincerity, and remember what comes after is better and everlasting. As we journey through life, the importance of daily prayers cannot be overstated. In Islam, the 5 daily prayers are not merely rituals, but profound moments of connection with the divine. These prayers anchor our day, offering solace and guidance amidst the chaos. They are a reminder of our purpose and our place in the grand tapestry of existence. Each prayer, from Fajr to Isha, provides a pause, an opportunity to realign our hearts and minds. In the stillness of dawn, the tranquility of midday, the quiet of the afternoon, the serenity of sunset, and the peace of night, we find a sanctuary. Through prayer, we express gratitude, seek forgiveness, and it is in these moments that we nurture our soul, fortify our faith, and draw closer to Allah. Let us embrace these sacred moments, not as obligations, but as opportunities to grow, to reflect, and to connect with our Creator. For in these daily acts of devotion, we find the strength to live with purpose and the courage to face whatever comes our way. Remember, each prayer is a step towards the eternal, a step towards the everlasting peace of the hereafter.